first job in the new workshop unit is my mate's 140i, and we're fitting a resonator kit on the exhaust. Basically, straight pipe, getting rid of these mufflers, and you just be keeping the back box and obviously the cat. Let me show you what the piping looks like. This is what we'd be fitting to the beast. I'll clean this bolt up without getting shit in your eye. It's a bit rusty because it get hot. It makes it easier to take it off. Should be wearing goggles really, but you can't see your goggles. All you do is loosen it, tighten it, loosen it, tighten it. Keep doing that, and hopefully it doesn't snap the bolt or roll itself off. There you go. Yeah, she's loose now. So I mean, the guy. Not bad. Exhaust is off. Pretty straightforward. There's the old cat over here. This is staying. We'll probably upgrade to a sports cat or probably downpipe later down the line, but this is the new system. And this is the old system over here. So that's where it bolted onto the cat. And over there is what we cut off the back box. Now we've got to put the new one on. Go on then, let's see what it sounds like with no exhaust. Is it going to be loud? Well, it actually sounds alright, doesn't it? Look at that, no exhaust. That is straight from the cat. Go on, do it again. Well, that's alright, isn't it? That's with no exhaust. That actually sounds nice. Yeah. Right, we're going to fit this exhaust now and see what it sounds like afterwards. Do another one. That sounds right, doesn't it? So now the exhaust is all fitted. This is what it looks like. Basically straight pipe from the cat, like I said at the start, to the back box. No more setting up resonators, what you call them, mufflers, baffles, what you want to call them. Basically straight pipe 140i now. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. That sounds loads better. That sounds right, doesn't it? Nice. that sounds mental. Try and get that pops going. That sounds well good. There we have it. Basically a straight pipe, Scorpion exhaust system. Yeah, cheers for watching. And let's see what we can do, what we're going to do next. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment below if you want to know how easy it was. Because it's pretty straightforward, wasn't it? Yeah. Very easy. It took what, 2 hours, and we've not done this one before. So yeah, cheers for watching.